Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into the art of creating a home office that is not only functional but also a reflection of your personal style as a man, the home office decor for him. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Home office decor for him refers to the design and arrangement of elements in a home office space that cater specifically to the needs and preferences of a male individual. It encompasses furniture, lighting, accessories, and overall aesthetic choices that create a comfortable, functional, and inspiring workspace tailored to a man's style and personality. This concept often involves incorporating masculine elements such as dark colors, natural materials, and industrial accents to create a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. First, let's talk about home office decor for him essential elements. A well-designed home office is a harmonious blend of form and function. Here are the essential elements to consider. Consider the style of your home. Your garden design should complement the architectural style of your home. Use a variety of textures and colors. Incorporate different textures and colors to create visual interest and depth. Add focal points. Create focal points with statues, sculptures, or unique plants to draw attention to specific areas of your garden. Lighting. Install outdoor lighting to highlight features and create a warm ambience during evening hours. Your home office should be a reflection of your personality. Here are some tips for incorporating your personal style. Ergonomic furniture. Invest in a comfortable and adjustable desk, chair, and monitor stand to ensure optimal comfort and productivity. Adequate lighting. Natural light is ideal, but supplement with task lighting and overhead fixtures to create a well-lit workspace. Storage solutions. Keep your space organized with shelves, drawers, and cabinets to store essential supplies and documents. Here are some creative ideas to inspire your home office design. 1. Gallery wall. Create a personalized gallery wall with photos, artwork, or inspirational quotes. 2. Indoor plants. Bring nature indoors with a variety of plants, such as succulents, ferns, or snake plants. 3. Geometric patterns. Incorporate geometric patterns into your decor with rugs, wallpaper, or textiles. 4. Vintage finds. Add character to your space with vintage furniture, accessories, or lighting fixtures. A well-organized and clutter-free space can help you stay focused and productive. Here are some tips for creating a productive home office. Ergonomic furniture. Invest in a comfortable and adjustable desk, chair, and monitor stand to ensure optimal comfort and productivity. Adequate lighting. Natural light is ideal, but supplement with task lighting and overhead fixtures to create a well-lit workspace. Storage solutions. Keep your space organized with shelves, drawers, and cabinets to store essential supplies and documents. Personal touches. Add personal items like artwork, plants, or decorative objects to make your office feel inviting and inspiring. And to complete your inspiration, hear these the compilation of the top 10 home office decor ideas for him ideas. 1. Industrial chic. For a rugged and modern aesthetic, embrace exposed brick, metal accents, and vintage elements. Incorporate industrial-style lighting fixtures, metal shelving, and vintage maps to create a unique and inviting space. 2. Minimalist modern. Opt for clean lines, neutral colors, and a clutter-free space for a sleek and sophisticated look. Choose high-quality furniture with simple designs, such as a minimalist desk and chair. Keep your workspace organized and free of unnecessary items to promote focus and productivity. 3. Natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating plants, natural wood, and stone elements. Use earthy tones, such as green, brown, and blue, to create a calming and grounding atmosphere. Maximize natural light by positioning your desk near a window. 4. Vintage vibes. Add character to your office with antique furniture, vintage maps, and retro accessories. Search for unique vintage finds at flea markets, antique stores, or online marketplaces. Combine vintage elements with modern pieces for a balanced and eclectic look. 5. Statement piece. Make a bold statement with a unique and eye-catching piece of furniture. Consider a leather armchair or a vintage desk to be the focal point of your office. 6. Personalized touches. Incorporate items that reflect your interests and personality. Display sports memorabilia, travel souvenirs, or artwork to create a personal and inviting space. Create a gallery wall with photos, artwork, or inspirational quotes to add a touch of personality. 7. Tech-savvy setup. Incorporate smart home technology, ergonomic furniture, and ample power outlets to create a high-tech workspace. Choose a comfortable and adjustable desk, chair, and monitor stand to prevent strain and promote productivity. Use smart devices like voice assistants, smart lighting, and thermostats to create a connected and efficient workspace. 8. Cozy corner. Add a comfortable armchair or sofa to your office for relaxation and brainstorming. Incorporate soft furnishings, such as pillows, throws, and rugs, to create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Install ambient lighting to create a relaxing and inviting ambience. 9. Gallery wall. Create a personalized gallery wall with photos, artwork, or inspirational quotes. Choose a variety of frames and experiment with different layouts to find the perfect arrangement for your space. 10. Statement lighting. Choose a unique and eye-catching lighting fixture to make a dramatic impact. Consider a pendant light or a sculptural lamp to add a touch of elegance and sophistication. By following these guidelines and incorporating your personal style, you can create a home office that is both functional and inspiring. Remember, the key to a successful home office is to make it a space that you enjoy spending time in. For more home office inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our Homes Decor Designs channel and hit that notification bell. We'll continue to bring you the latest trends and tips to help you create your dream workspace. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.